Hi, little readers. Are you ready for another digraph lesson? Yay! Now let's do our digraph rap. Digraphs, they're the key. 2 letters, 1 sound for you and me. Put them together and you'll see the light. In the world of reading, they make it right. So, after the digraph rap, you know what a digraph is, right? Yes, it's 2 letters, 1 sound. And today's digraph is special. You know why? Because they always go together. It's qua and a. Qua and a. Together, they say qua. Qua, 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 like a duck. Qua. And you also need to remember that Q and U stick like glue. Q and U stick like glue. It means to say they're always together. Okay? Now, let's sing our qua song. Ready? Okay.
The duck in the pond quacks, quack, quack, quacks, quack, quack, quacks, quack, quack, quack. The duck in the pond quacks, quack, 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 all around the pond.
Now for some qua words. Ready? Okay, so I'll do the action. You sound out the letters with me and try to read the word. Yeah? Good. First, qua, I, z. Again, qua, I, z. Quiz, quiz. Qua, I, t. Again, qua, I, t. What is it? Quit, quit. Next, qua, I, d. Qua, I, d. This is a form of money. Quid, quid. Next, qua, I. Oh. Again, qua, I. Oh. You write with this. It's a quill. Quill. Are you ready for your solo work? Brilliant. So, this time, you do all the work. I just do the actions, and with the sound dots, you can put the sounds together and read the words. Ready? Okay. First, a double digraph. Again, queen, queen. Another double digraph is quail. Quail, it's a type of bird. Next. Again. It's called You Need a Quilt. Next. Again. Squid. Squid. Nice. And the last one. I think it's easy. Again. Quack. It's the sound that a duck makes. Quack. Awesome. You were great again today. So, if you like the lesson, then please like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next digraph. Rap and read with me.